Yes, mate. My son vote. Yes, mate. Surely, the British vote.
Yeah, I mean. Yeah.
Is your voting going in England? No stress.
Come on,
Wait.
Come on.
Yes, mate. My son vote. Yeah. Where's my son? You're a big man now. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Wait, come on.
Yes, mate. People. My son is a big man now. You vote, sonny boy?
Yes, boss lady.
Seriously?
Yes, mate.
Yes, mate.
I said no.
Too much, mate?
Second.
Too much, mate, son?
Second.
So you vote, son? Son? Did you vote? Well, go on there, son. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Trouble daddy.
Go say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Keep going.
What's going on? Need to meet the young man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The man votes there. What should do? Police officer. Hi, Hayden. What's up, mate? How you doing, jolly fella? Jolly fella?
How are you doing?
I'm feeling hot, you jolly fella. What's up? Oh, out here so look nice though. Nah lie. Then fix it up. What's up, sonny boy?
There, boss lady.
Boss lady.
Just vote. You see?
Me and my son just vote. I'm gonna vote for Neil Cole.
No, Labour.
Neil Cole.
Labour.
And him help me.
What's the one?
Yeah, Labour.
I throw up Labour.
Labour. We have sign?
Labour. I don't know.
Labour. My son said that sign there. Anyway, here so we are. Can't take time. Then fix it nice though. Them do them thing.
Oh yeah, no, that's what the parking was up to. Look, you see the outline? That's what the parking was up to, and they stopped and now look. So this is about 3 cars, look. 3 or 4. No?
Yeah, so Yusuf have car. Remember say we never have no zebra. So now they can't park down there. No, they can't park down there, so cause the zebra line.
It's out now, yeah.
Zigzag line.
But Jesus. So
have you voted yet, guys?
So that means me get my shop now. No, yeah.
You can get her car, son.
Not easy. talk like you. Talk now. Yeah?
No, do you know, I'm short body, no?
Yeah, I know.
What could have cost this? What can go so?
Eh?
What can go so? Look at the baby when me wait there, me not so good. So that little boy here when me used to have and I lift him up, change nappy. Me I feel look up in her face now. What can go so?
It's not the boss. It's not the boss.
Me still at the boss. Short boss I do it. Short boss I do it. Still at the boss. You understand? What can go so?
I don't know.
So people will just finish voting and we did it. We vote for. In England you can't talk who you vote for. Jamaica you can't even mention who you vote for. You can't even say, hey, Nicole we vote for. Yeah. In Jamaica you cannot do that. Number one, your finger them pick up so they know who you vote for. Here so you just X. But me not like how they give pencil. You can rub it out. Me I got to, you should have used pen or marker.
That's what I told you.
They can rub it out.
So sometimes there's no. I don't feel like there's no point. But there's
When you hear people say, so why you vote Lisa and you don't even born here, you come from Jamaica? Yes, me come from Jamaica, but this is where I live. This is where my son was born. I come here as an immigrant, and of course one day me I go become a citizen. So why not get familiar with the system? Why not put in the right person that when it comes on to immigration, it won't affect me? Why not put in someone that when I reach out to Mr. Neil Cole, my MP, he did answer me? When him reach out to the right people, then within 21 days, them answer him and me. So yes, me I go vote. People on need to understand why on need to go out and put in on a vote, because whosoever represent the country, it will affect your immigration status as an overseas person. That me I tell you now. It gives you a say on important issue that affect you, from the road and cycling to education and climate change to housing and employment, tax, food, everything. It gives you the choice to vote for your local and national representative. If you don't vote, other people get to choose who represent you. Election can be called a short notice. If you don't register in time, you may not be able to vote. It's as simple as that. So me no want nobody ask why me vote. Me vote for Neil Cole because he was there for me and he's for the people. Period. That's it. Log into my email and take out. Yeah. May I look for Neil Cole. So son, you have my email. Yeah. I was going through my email to find Neil Cole and his team. Yes, because I wanted to insert their photographs. And I did. And I saw Auntie Janet. Big up yourself, Auntie Janet.
1, 2, 3.
As much police I got for one somebody, Dina?
Trouble.
Come on, man. I just pray that this woman is okay, because you see when so much police come for you now and then go do the check and you not have something, they might just send her.
We don't know the situation.
No, I'm praying none of that. Because it's not nice. This is for the people then will love call immigration and police pan people and go on like them are one big informant. On if you stop it. Hey, what can go so? What can go so, son? I can't find. Did not come for your phone, yeah? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.